Good morning, students. I am Praveen Thakur here with your Standard 3 Grammar. Welcome back to our class. Hope you all are safe and sound at home. Students, today I have brought a very interesting chapter for you. That is similes. So, this is not in your book, but I am giving you so that you can have more knowledge. What are similes? When two things are compared using like or as is called similes. For example, sweet as a honeybee, roar like a lion. So we are comparing sweet with what? Honey. So we know honey is very sweet, isn't it? Roar like a lion. So the sound that the lions make is known as roar, and nobody can roar more louder than a lion. So we make this comparison. A simile is a phrase that uses a comparison to describe. For example, life can be described as similar to a box of chocolates. You know, you spotted one when you see the words like or as in a comparison. So, when you want to compare one thing with the other, we use similes. Now, let us see some examples of these similes. As playful as a kitten. So, we know that kitten is the baby of a cat. So, they are very playful. They are so small and cute. And they are all never sitting quiet. They are very playful. So, we give the simile phrase as playful as a kitten. We use this when we see somebody is playing like a baby, is never quiet, moving here and there, they can growl here and there. So we say that this baby is as playful as a kitten. We are comparing one to another. Here are some more examples. As busy as a bee. So the person who is very busy, always doing some work or the other, we give the comparison as busy as a bee, because bee also, they never rest. They are from one flower to another, they suck nectars and they collect honey. Sparkle like diamonds. So we know that diamonds they shine, isn't it? Stones. So if anything is shining, we give the comparison. See, it is shining as sparkling or shining like diamonds. As hungry as a bear. So bear is an animal which is very hungry and always they want something to eat. They always want some food or the other to eat. So when we see somebody who is very, very hungry, so we say he is as hungry as a bear. Flat as a pancake. So pancakes are just small thin cakes. So and they are very flat. So we give the example as flat as a pancake. As hard as a rock. So rock is that big stones and they are very hard. Can you break them? No. We need something very, very heavy to break that. Small rocks we can break, but very big rocks, it is very difficult to break. So we give this example. He is as hard as a rock. That means it is not easy to satisfy him. Now let us see some more examples. Today I am feeling as fresh as a daisy. So students, for comparison we use two words especially, as or like. As sweet as honey or like a, we give the example. So in similes we use these two words. Now see example. Today I am feeling as fresh as a daisy. Daisy is a flower that is always very fresh. Nice perfume, smell it comes. So when you also early in the morning, when you have your bath, brush your teeth, go to washroom and have your bath. So how you feel? You feel very fresh. So you say, I am fresh as a daisy. John runs as fast as lightning. So here you can see out here lightning. and nothing is more fast than lightning, as you can see in the rainy season. So we give the example, he is running as fast as a lightning. My best friend is as stubborn as a mule. Mule means the donkey. Sometimes you go on beating him, telling him, do this, stand up, go here, but it will not listen to anything. So we say that he is as stubborn. Stubborn means not listening to anybody, does not obey anything. So we say it is as stubborn as a mule. After that meal, I feel as fat as a pig. So when you have a meal, your food, and you eat too much, because sometimes it is very, very tasty, so you eat a little more. So that time you feel as fat as a pig. My little sister works as slow as a turtle. As slow as a snail also we give the example. He is as slow as a turtle or as slow as a snail. So slow they walk that you will have a nice sleep, food, everything, and then you will see that it has moved hardly 1 or 2 inches. So slow it is. Without my glasses, I am as blind as a bat. So as blind as a bat. That is, bats, you know that bats cannot see. They only feel it with their senses. So we say that he is as blind as a bat. That means he cannot read anything, he cannot see anything. So we give that example. That boy in my class is as funny as a clown. So here you can see clown. Usually in the circus we say they make funny faces and make us laugh, especially the children. They laugh more on seeing the clown. So when we see anything very funny, we give the example. He is as funny as a clown. Right now I am feeling as sick as a dog. So when you are sick, you say, I am very, very sick. You don't feel like doing anything. So we give them example. I am feeling as sick as a dog. Have you ever felt as happy as a hippo? Hippo, short form of hippopotamus. They are very happy sometimes. Let's see the next example. As big as an elephant. So we know elephants are very, very big. As cold as ice. About this cold, we read that in our synonyms also. Cold, chilly, frosty, cool. So as cold as ice. That you also know when you eat ice cream or when you touch that bottle, it is very, very cold. As slow as a snail. So snail usually in the summer, rainy season, we can see so big, isn't it? So big they are, and they are crawling on the road. As tall as a giraffe. As quick as lightning. To swim like a fish. So here you can see as, now like. So when we see anybody swimming very nicely, we say he swims like a fish. Or we give another example, to drink like a fish. Because fishes are always in the water, so we say he drinks like a fish. As smooth as glass. As busy as a bee. As easy as pie. As blind as a bat. As strong as an ox. Ox, the male, it is very, very strong, that pulls the carts. As wise as an owl. So owls are said to be very wise. Hot like the sun. Is anything more hot than the sun? Even fire is not as hot as the sun. Eat like a pig. As hungry as a wolf. As quiet as a mouse. So when the mouse enters your home, can you hear it? No. When you see it moving from here to there, running, when you see it with your eyes, then only you know there is a mouse. Otherwise it runs here and there, but you cannot hear it. Only when you see, you know there is a mouse in your house. So as quiet as a mouse. When anybody is very quietly sitting or doing some work, then we say he is as quiet as a mouse. Now see here some more examples. As sweet as sugar. So we know that sugar is very very sweet. As cute as kitten. As cold as ice. As red as a rose. So rose, different colors, but red rose, it is very very red, just like blood. As black as coal. So everyone must have seen the coal. They are also known as black diamond. You can see the people ironing on the road. They take the iron and put it on that coal to make it very hot, and then they iron the clothes. So that coal is known as coal, the black color round you can see. It is also known as black diamond. As tall as giraffe, as strong as iron, as deep as ocean. So ocean, we know there are 5 oceans and they are so deep, so much full of water. So we know that we cannot know how deep it is. So we give the example as deep as ocean. So students, examples I have shown you with different pictures. Why we are making the comparison? Usually we make comparison with other students or children or other people. So that time we use these similes. As bright as the moon, as clear as crystal, as proud as a peacock. You can see peacock usually in the rainy season they dance. To fit like a glove. So gloves you wear in your hand. So we say it fits like a glove. As green as grass. So we know that grass is very very green. So we call it, give an example, as green as grass. To sleep like a baby. So elder people you can see they are snoring like this, but baby so quietly they are sleeping. So we say, give the example, to sleep like a baby. As pretty as a picture, as large as life. So we know life is very very large, isn't it? So as large as life, as timid as a rabbit, as light as feather. So you can see the feathers coming from the birds. So soft and light it is. When you drop it, it goes round and round and falls to the ground. So we say that it is as light as feather, as free as a bird. You see birds anywhere they can fly, move from one place to another. Isn't it? It is their wish, wherever they want. So we say as free as a bird, as red as a tomato. See his face, somebody gives one slap, how your face becomes red. So that time we give the example. His face is as red as a tomato. Or when you come from the sun, which is very very hot, like in May, June, then your face turns red. So we say, see his face is as red as a tomato, because we know tomatoes are also very red. As yellow as the sun, as hard as rock, already that example I have given you. So these are all similes when we make comparison from one to another. So students, go through this video, learn the similes very well, try to find some more similes, and it will be very very interesting when you give examples. So thank you students and take care.